What's going on, guys? It's Tanner here with Wrap Atlanta. Got my BMW F30 in the shop. I'm going to show you guys how to take out the taillights. Whether you're doing a full vehicle wrap or you just need to replace one of the brake lights. I'll show you how to do that. All right, once you go into the trunk, there's going to be a little plastic cover. You just kind of pop it off, and then there's going to be two 10mm bolts. Once you get those unscrewed, the taillight will just pop right out. All right, now that you have both 10mm bolts out, kind of want to just kind of wiggle it out and try to finagle it out. Just be careful not to, damage your paint or anything like that. But yeah, what I like to do is kind of grab on this left side and then also on this right side, kind of where the bolts go, and kind of just pull straight out. There we go. And then there's just going to be one clip in the back for where the bulbs plug in. Just want to press down on the tab and pull out. And one of the wires hooked in this little latch. You have your taillights out. If you need to change any of your bulbs, they're all going to be in this housing. And there's just these little pop tabs that you kind of pull back up like that. And then you can pull this mechanism out, and then you'll have your 3 bulbs.